In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A3x, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and hit Apps. Then scroll down to hit Default Apps. Tap on Home app, click on Launcher Pro and wait. Select Allow All and wait again. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. If you want to change anything in this layout, you can go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, you need to access the same settings again and click on Go Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!